Hey guys, Ascend Artco here with some more Twistin tips. Now let's go over wrapping with pressure in mind. One of the easiest ways to ruin a shape is if you apply too much pressure. This is a very soft art form and you need to be conscious of it at all times. When you start, watch your pressure. I usually like to get a little hook and then I'll press down in the back to hook it on. With a wrap, we're going to go to the edge and we're going to go around to the back and press. This is all you're going to do. Go back over to this other side and press again. Notice I'm not pulling, I'm not doing anything like that. I'm literally just turning the piece over, letting it naturally fold, and pressing down. This way, the entire way down, I will keep my shape and I don't have to worry about losing it. It's all about the pressure in which you turn the corner, about which you tie things off, about how you make connections. This is how you keep your piece looking clean all the way to the end, so it's something you can be proud of.